today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the 1688 shopping app. Keeping your app current helps improve performance, fixes bugs, and ensures you have the latest features and security updates, so it's worth doing regularly. Start by opening the 1688 app on your phone. From the main screen, head to the section labeled My or Profile. This is usually found at the bottom right of the screen and is where your account settings and preferences live. Inside your profile, look for the Settings option. It's typically represented by a small gear icon. Tap it to open the Settings menu. This menu may have several categories, but you're looking for the area that shows app details. Next, find the option that says Check for Updates. On some devices or translations, it might appear under About or Version Info. If you don't see Check for Updates right away, open About or Version Info first. That's commonly where the Update button is located. The labeling can vary slightly depending on your region or language settings, but the meaning is the same. Tap Check for Update. The app will quickly compare the version installed on your phone with the latest version available. If you're already up to date, you should see a message indicating there's nothing else to do, and you can simply close the settings and continue using the app with confidence. If a new version is available, you'll see a prompt to download and install it. Go ahead and confirm. For the smoothest experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is often the fastest and most reliable option. Keep your device awake and avoid switching away from the app while the download is in progress. If your phone asks for permission to install or to proceed, allow it so the update can complete. Some devices will momentarily take you to the official app marketplace to finish the installation. That's normal and part of the same process. Once the installation finishes, reopen 1688. If you'd like to verify the update, return to Settings and check the About or Version Info section to confirm the new version number. Most updates won't change your account details or preferences, but if anything looks different, take a quick moment to explore what's new. That's it. By going to My or Profile, opening Settings, finding Check for Updates or the About section, and confirming the download and installation when prompted, you'll keep the 1688 app running smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated app.